this session, we completed and successfully executed and saw how the Spring Boot application will create. Now we will explore Spring Boot starter dependency. What is there inside that one? Where the version, all those versions and all those things they configure. Control plus cursor. We need to click. Here if we go, here Spring Boot dependency is easy. Inside this one, all the versions they configure. See here. MQ, PNG, Cassandra also they configured. Cassandra is in MySQLDB. Groovy Hibernate version and Jackson jars version. See here, Jackson they configured here. See here, Jackson annotations 2.8.1. The same thing came. Jibos login. Here they configured Java Time API. This is released in JDK 1.8. JSON versions. Mach 2 is a framework for JUnit. MySQL version also they configured MongoDB. And Spring version, see here, Spring 4.3.2 they configured here. The Spring Web 4.3.2 the same things came. All versions they configured here. If we need to change the versions, then we need to go to pom.xml and here in properties we need to add Spring dot version 4.3.5 and we need to update the project. Now when update Spring Boot uploading, we need to see we changed the property Spring version 4.3.5 release and now we need to update git project and we will see here it's changed Spring 4.3.5. In this way we need to change or we want to change any versions of any jars we can change. Next things we will discuss in next session. Thank you.